Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers you also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest videos. So well, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dishcloth free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. Beautiful kitchen ideas for housewives. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful and different shapes. Some are round shape, square shape, beautiful flower shapes. Most demanding crochet collection. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet work. And please go to my comment section. You can ask me in comment section what do you want next, more about crochet collection and beautiful ideas about crochet collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon and like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dishcloth free ideas. Mind-blowing pattern, fabulous and trendy ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.